Dubai is famous for its record-breaking skyline, but one building truly captures the city's spirit: the Burj Al Arab Jumeirah. More than a hotel, it's a global icon, instantly recognizable and synonymous with Dubai's rise from desert outpost to international powerhouse. Its unique sail-shaped silhouette stands as a testament to the city's ambition and creativity. Conceived in the 1990s, the Burj Al Arab was designed to put Dubai on the world map for luxury and innovation. From its opening in 1999, it became a symbol of modern Dubai and a beacon of what's possible with vision and determination. Approaching the Burj Al Arab feels like entering another world. Its gleaming white structure and nightly light shows make it a living piece of art. The hotel promises an escape into ultimate luxury, offering a glimpse into a lifestyle most can only imagine. For visitors, seeing the Burj Al Arab is a must. It's featured on postcards, in magazines, and all over social media. But nothing compares to witnessing its scale and beauty in person. The building stands as a proud testament to human creativity and the city's bold dreams. It's not just steel and glass, it's built from the ambition that defines Dubai. The Burj Al Arab is a jewel by the sea, a symbol of a city that dared to dream big. Its story is one of vision, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. This is the spirit of Dubai, captured in a single stunning landmark: the Burj Al Arab, where imagination meets reality. The Burj Al Arab's design is instantly iconic, a billowing sail rising from the sea. Architect Tom Wright was tasked with creating a symbol for Dubai, much like the Eiffel Tower for Paris. Inspired by the traditional Arabian dhow, the hotel's sail shape connects Dubai's seafaring heritage with its modern ambitions. Built on a man-made island, the structure soars 321 meters, supported by a steel exoskeleton that withstands wind and weather. Its fabric facade protects against the desert sun, while the sail motif pays tribute to centuries of maritime trade. At night, the building transforms into a canvas of shifting lights, glowing blue like the sea or gold like the desert. The Burj Al Arab appears ready to set sail, carrying Dubai's dreams into the future. This blend of artistry and engineering has captured imaginations worldwide. The hotel's silhouette is now a global symbol of luxury and innovation. It's a tribute to the spirit of adventure that defines Dubai. The Burj Al Arab, a sail on the horizon, forever moving forward. The Burj Al Arab's location is as exclusive as its design. Perched on its own private island, 280 meters from Jumeirah Beach, it's accessible only by a sweeping private bridge. This separation creates an air of privacy and grandeur, making every arrival feel momentous. Guests enjoy panoramic views, endless turquoise waters on one side, Dubai's dynamic skyline on the other. The hotel's unique position offers both tranquility and energy, a rare combination. Even those not staying at the hotel can admire it from Sunset Beach or Souk Madinat Jumeirah, where the iconic sail dominates the view. The island setting physically and symbolically sets the Burj Al Arab apart. It's a sanctuary of luxury, surrounded by water and wonder. Whether gazing at it from afar or looking out from within, the location inspires awe. The Burj Al Arab's setting is a masterstroke, an invitation to experience the extraordinary. The Burj Al Arab is often called the world's only 7-star hotel, a title born from legend. Officially, hotel ratings stop at 5 stars, but a British journalist, awestruck by its opulence, coined the 7-star label. The hotel never claimed it, but the myth stuck, adding to its mystique. What makes it feel worthy of 7 stars? Start with the lavish interiors, pillars, and elevators clad in 24-karat gold, rare marbles from around the world, and a soaring atrium that stuns all who enter. Every detail is designed to impress, from the bold colors to the sheer scale. But it's the service that truly sets it apart. 8 staff for every suite, with butlers on call 24/7. Guests are treated like royalty, their every need anticipated. The 7-star legend captures the feeling of being somewhere beyond extraordinary. It's not just about luxury, it's about redefining what hospitality can be. The Burj Al Arab's reputation is built on exceeding every expectation. Here, the impossible becomes reality. That's the magic behind the myth. Entering the Burj Al Arab is like stepping into a treasure trove. The world's tallest hotel atrium greets you with a kaleidoscope of colors, soaring 180 meters high. Gold leaf shimmers on pillars and fixtures, while rare statuario marble adds timeless elegance. The design fuses Arabian tradition with bold modernity, vivid carpets, intricate patterns, and dazzling chandeliers at every turn. Even the smallest details are curated for luxury daily fresh flower arrangements, custom furnishings, and a sense of theatrical grandeur. Every corner is a feast for the senses, immersing guests in opulence. The Burj Al Arab isn't just decorated, it's choreographed for awe. This is luxury elevated to an art form. Here, every moment feels extraordinary. The Burj Al Arab is an all-suite hotel. No standard rooms, only two-story palatial suites. Even the smallest suite is larger than most homes, with sweeping staircases and panoramic windows. Interiors blend rich colors, plush fabrics, and custom furniture, creating a private sanctuary above the sea. Technology is seamlessly integrated. Gold iPads control everything from lights to room service. Bathrooms are personal spas, with marble mosaic tiles, jacuzzi tubs, and luxury Hermes toiletries. The royal suites on the 25th floor redefine extravagance. Private elevators, cinemas, libraries, and rotating canopy beds. Every detail is designed for indulgence, from leopard print carpets to gold staircases. Staying here is an experience reserved for the world's most discerning travelers. The Burj Al Arab suites are not just accommodations, they're statements of ultimate luxury. Each stay is tailored to make guests feel like royalty. Privacy, comfort, and grandeur are guaranteed. This is where dreams are lived. Dining at the Burj Al Arab is a journey for the senses. Al Muntaha, perched 200 meters above the sea, offers modern European cuisine with breathtaking views of Dubai's skyline. A glass elevator ride sets the stage for an unforgettable meal in the clouds. Al Mahara, on the ground floor, immerses diners in an underwater world, surrounded by a massive aquarium teeming with marine life. San Eder, at the base of the atrium, is perfect for afternoon tea amid soaring architecture and live music. Bab Al Yam offers relaxed dining by the pool, with international cuisine and sea views. Service is impeccable, staff anticipate every need, and chefs craft masterpieces from the finest ingredients. Each restaurant is a destination, making every meal a memorable event. At the Burj Al Arab, dining is elevated to an art. The Burj Al Arab is more than a hotel. It's a symbol of Dubai's transformation and ambition. When it opened in 1999, it announced Dubai's arrival on the world stage. Built on a man-made island, it showcased groundbreaking engineering and a bold vision for the future. The hotel became the face of Dubai, featured in campaigns, events, and as a backdrop to the city's rapid rise. Its success inspired even grander projects, like the Palm Jumeirah and the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Al Arab set a new standard for luxury and innovation, proving Dubai could achieve the extraordinary. It bridges the city's rich heritage with its high-tech future. The hotel's influence is seen in every ambitious project that followed. The Burj Al Arab is a cornerstone of Dubai's story, a dream realized in steel, glass, and gold. It's the ultimate symbol of a city that never stops reaching higher. Decades after its debut, the Burj Al Arab remains a global icon of luxury and innovation. Its allure lies in its breathtaking design, legendary service, and air of exclusivity. Access is limited to guests and diners, adding to its mystique and desirability. For travelers and architecture lovers alike, it's a bucket list destination, a masterpiece to be experienced, not just seen. The hotel's mystique is part of its magic, making every visit feel like an invitation to a private world. The Burj Al Arab is studied and admired for pushing the boundaries of design and hospitality. It's more than a hotel, it's a testament to human ingenuity and bold vision. From its sail-like silhouette to its 7-star legend, it captures the imagination. The Burj Al Arab embodies Dubai's essence, bold, luxurious, and always looking forward. It stands as a shimmering symbol of dreams made real.